Hello, this is how to change your theme on Samsung Galaxy. So to do that, you see this is your screen. You want to change a theme of your phone. You can see this has a wolf. I don't know if this is a wolf. Yes. So to do that, you long press on your screen, and then down here you'll see the word themes, and Samsung Galaxy will load some themes for you. So you can see these are some featured themes. Feel free to scroll through them to see what you really like. There are so many, and most of them are really free. You see that. So my preference is normally the dark theme, but let's check out the hot pick. You can see all these themes depending on really your style, your aesthetics. You can choose one that you want, you know. Now I like this, so I'll click on it, and then to install it you just click on download. Also you can see the download size, it's a bit heavy. You can actually find some lighter ones. So let me make another choice. Let's check out this. You can see this one is just 11 MBs. So let me download. It's completing download. After you're done downloading, just click on apply. And your theme shall be applied. You can see it will take a few seconds. And there you go. So now this is my new Galaxy theme. You can see that. And all your apps are in here. So thank you so much for watching. Basically, that's how to change your theme on Samsung Galaxy.